Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to switch currency on Facebook Ads Manager. So if you want to run the ads in a different currency or maybe for whatever reason you would like to change the currency, I'll show you how easily you can do it. So the first thing you have to do is you have to open the Facebook app. And once the app gets open, you will be into its home page. Now you have to click onto the three lines from the top right, and then you have to click on settings and privacy, which is at the bottom. Once you tap onto it, then you have to click on settings. And after that, you will get to the next page where you have to click on your account center, and then you have to scroll down and click on MetaPay. Once you tap on MetaPay, then you have to click on add debit and credit card. And after that, you just have to simply add your card detail. All the information is written on your debit or credit card. You can add it, you can also change the country. And after once you have added it, it will show you the currency. Most of the chances that it will be in USD. So if you would like to change it to any other currency, you can do it. So that's how you can switch the currency on Facebook Ads Manager. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.